so we've just got all that fiberglass itchy shit out, and oh sorry, it's in sweat, but it's got the foil on the bottom. It had these foil bats here on the top, right, and so foil on top, foil on bottom, and rats in the middle. Anyway, I wanted to show you something though, as people often ask about the fiberglass. Can you see that there? I'm not sure whether it's very hard to see here, but there you go, you can see it there. That's actually a splinter, a glass splinter, right? And off the fiberglass bats, that's how big your glass particles are sometimes in the bats, and you'll actually get real pieces of glass jam in you like that, and then you've got to be careful because they'll break off in your skin, and that's a big one that you can see. It's exactly the same for all the little ones. The little ones are everywhere, but you just can't pull them out, and that's why your skin gets itchy, your lungs get choked up, and you cough and everything. So while we're up in the roof, we use asbestos rated masks to protect our lungs from this stuff, and we wear these suits to try and keep some of the itchy stuff out, but it still gets very itchy, and we still end up with big splinters like that in our hands. So even though you can buy it from Bunnings, fiberglass bats, and they reckon you can put them in yourself and all of that, it really is one of the worst jobs around. And that whirly bird there, you can see it's a windy day and it's not doing a thing. So anyway, we've just about got all the roof cleaned out now. I'll just jump in here and show you what it looks like. So that's what it looks like now that we've got all of the bats out. That foil bat up there is just around an exhaust fan, right? So, but yeah, we've got most of it out. There's a couple of little bits that I've got to pick up yet. And then we're going to pump the roof with cellulose insulation. So here comes my hose now for pumping the cellulose. So, and this here will give the customer a much better result.